Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the laser eyes effect on PicsArt. So, I've already opened the PicsArt and then just click on the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to add the laser effects. So, I'm going to choose this photo, but first I'm going to change the mood. First, I'm going to add the effect. Choose drama, click on check, and then you just need to go to the draw option, and here choose this brush as and adjust the size and pick the white color. So I'm going to draw the eye first into white, just like this. And then the other eye. Just like that, and then click on check, and after that you can just go to the lens flare icon and then choose the lens that you think suits the best with the laser eye effect. I'm going to choose this, and then you can adjust the position and also the size of the flare. I'm going to make it big like this and place it at the center of the eye. Just like that, and then click on check, add another lens flare, and also adjust the position just like that. Going to make it big. Okay, so if you want to save it, just click on this, and your photo with the laser eye effect has been saved into your gallery. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can add the laser effect on your photo. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye bye.